We got it all. It's exciting. I mean, it's making a sequel is always like you can either like phone it in and just slap a 2 on it, or you can like do it all new. And we went for the harder, all new version. So being here at like Man's Chinese Theater, the classic place, great movie. It's very exciting. There's so many spoilers that I can't say, but it is much scarier than the first one. Many more animatronics and a lot more. The whole thing is just like cranked up a million levels, and the story's really interesting. Getting to some like dream world stuff. It's good. Piper grew like a foot between the first and second movie, which is amazing. It's great. I mean, this whole team is amazing. From Emma, our director, Bea, producer, all of Blumhouse, and then obviously having Elizabeth, adding in McKenna, Matt. It's just a great team. It's fun because like I've been a part of a few franchises over time, and whenever you get to have like the same crew, the same cast come back together, it's more comfortable because you're doing something that's really hard, and when you actually have people there that you have a shorthand with, you have that relationship with, it's great. I would say thank you for watching, and go to the theaters and see this one, and let's make a third because it's so exciting.